In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn your first $1,000 online, even if you are a complete beginner. Hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you how you can earn your first $1,000 online, even if you are a complete beginner. I know, guys, there are so many ways to make money online out there. Drop shipping, Amazon FBA, drop service, MRR, and others. And chances are that you are here confused because you don't know which one is the best for beginners and a real business that you can scale and you can use to replace your full-time job. Is that what you want? If you want to make just some extra money, that's okay. In my case, I was looking for an opportunity in which I shouldn't commit too much time because I had two full-time jobs at the time I started doing this. And just in case you're wondering, yes, I was able to replace it. So let me share with you my screen because I want to make sure that we're actually on the same page. Okay. And as you can see here, I have a small presentation. I'm going to explain to you everything, okay, of how you can make your first $1,000 online, even if you are a complete beginner. As I mentioned before, there's so many ways, so many opportunities. But for me, the best and the easiest, it's what we call affiliate marketing, but not regular affiliate marketing, but high ticket affiliate marketing. In a sense, just in case that you're wondering, Diana, what is affiliate marketing? Okay, affiliate marketing is when you have a person who have a product or a service, okay, and here we have a customer or someone who is interested on that product or service, or he or she wants to solve a problem. They don't know what's the solution is, but they're looking for it, okay? And here you're telling like, hey, do you have this problem? Are you looking for more information about this product or this service? Check this. Okay. And if that person make the purchase with your special link, you're going to be earning a commission. But, there's so many websites out there. Okay. One of them is, for example, Amazon. Okay. Amazon have tons of products. Okay. They do have tons of products that you can promote. For example, this is a mug, a water bottle that I have, and I really enjoy, and I'm actually recommending it. Okay, so what Amazon says is like, hey, Diana, you're gonna be clicking here, okay, and this is gonna be your special link. Okay, in my case, this is my special link. If someone use it, I'm going to be earning a commission. Okay, that's literally how it works. But with high ticket affiliate marketing, you are not going to be earning a couple of dollars, like $20, $10. No, you are going to be earning good commissions. Okay, it can be $500, $1,000, even more in commission. And I can tell you guys, it's way easier to get someone who's going to be purchasing a product in which you are going to be earning $1,000 commission. Okay. Let's say that your goal it's 10,000 per month. You just need 10 of those. But if you have a product in which you are earning $10, that's your commission. You will need to make 1,000 sales per month. Okay. It's way harder. It's not impossible, but way harder. So that's the reason why I want to show you how to do this easier. Okay, here, for example, we are on ClickBank. Okay, this is a place in which you are can find products in which you're going to be earning good commissions. For example, we have this one that is the Save My Marriage Today. This is recurring commission. So that means that you can have the opportunity to earn money over and over and over and over. And you are going to see that the average commission, it's over $1,000. Okay. Here we have total money magnetism. Okay. Over $1,000. We have free backpack. Okay. Over $1,000. Here they do have an affiliate page with resources that you can use. Okay. and you can have more opportunities to learn more about this. Okay, if I check some information here, it says that they do have some upsells, affiliate tool. This is a physical product. Okay, this is a one-time payment. It's a mobile friendly. Okay, and here we have more products. Okay, when you find one that you want to promote, you're going to be clicking here where it says promote. Then you're going to choose your nickname. You're going to click here and continue. And this is the link that you're going to be using. Okay. This is the link that you're going to be using that you are going to be sharing. So you will need to copy it. Okay. But if someone is going to be making this kind of investment, first of all, there is a huge problem that they would like to solve. And they are not with their wallet like right away, like, hey, I'm going to purchase everything that you show me. Okay, I'm ready to make the purchase. Okay, that's not actually how this works. Okay, so I want you guys to take that into consideration. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. And if you want to learn more about this, I'm going to be leaving a couple of links in the description so you can understand more about this and you can learn what's my number one recommendation to make money online. Now, let me share with you the three-step process of high ticket affiliate marketing. Don't worry, it's not complicated. Okay. First of all, you will need to create something that we call a capture page. Okay. A capture page is a page in which people are going to be able to leave us their name and email address in exchange of information. It can be a free ebook, a cheat sheet, it can be a webinar. And don't worry, you don't need to create the webinar. That's something that the person who created the product or service is going to be doing. Here we have what we call a bridge page. Okay, here on the bridge page, we're going to be letting them know that now if you decide to go ahead and be really serious, okay, click the link here. If you promise an ebook, cheat sheet, or other stuff, you can let them know that they're going to receive them on their email address. And then you're going to introduce them to the product. Okay. In this case, it's going to be most of the time like a webinar. Okay. And this is how actually you make money. If they decide like they are not going to purchase it right away, no worries, because we are going to be doing some email follow-ups. Okay. We're going to be doing some email follow-ups and we are going to have the opportunity to make the commission that way. Also, we're going to have the opportunity to introduce them to more products or services in the future. Okay. So now how does this work? Okay, this is the capture page. It's a simple capture page. This is one that I actually use for one of the products that I'm promoting in Spanish. Okay, this is a product that gives you a high ticket commission. This is actually this one, total money magnetism. Okay, it's this one. They do have a funnel. Okay, they do have actually a funnel and they are actually giving you recurring commissions. Okay, so that's something that you guys need to take into consideration. Again, this is the webinar I was talking about. Okay, people are gonna watch this webinar and then they're interested. Everything start with this low ticket product. Okay, after that, they're gonna introduce them to other products and services. You can actually have the opportunity to create your own funnel with a tool that is called actually System.io. In System.io, you can actually join for free by using the link below, and you're going to have the opportunity to choose from several capture pages. Okay, this can be simple as the one as I show you, or as complicated as you want. I prefer to have something simple. Okay, that's what I'm usually looking for something simple. Okay. So where are these people who are ready to make the purchase? Remember that that's the reason why okay, there is this is the three-step process because although they're on different social networks such as YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and so on, okay, they are not with their wallet right away. So that's the reason why you need to create this. You can promote as many products and as many services as you will like to. Okay. So now, again, if you want to learn more about this, okay, I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can learn with everything step by step. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, guys, and I see you guys on the next video.